welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gala from Galainthekitchen.com. Today I'm going to share with you how we can make bamboo from cucumber. At first I'm going to create a bamboo shape by peeling very roughly cucumber. The idea to make bamboo from cucumber I learned from chef from Poland. Link to his original video I share in description. If we cut cucumber in half, our bamboo will be great and fun garnish for sushi platter. My garnish tool is handmade. I use lid from a can. How I make it and ideas to use it, I have special video on my channel. Also, even more ideas how we can use it on my website. Link will be in description. And now, when I'm done with my bamboo leaves, I'm going to attach it. If we use small cucumber, we can garnish glass with some cocktails or cucumber water. Thank you for watching my video, and please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.